Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform with an ever-expanding set of services to help you build solutions to meet your business goals. Azure services support everything from simple to complex. Azure has simple web services for hosting your business presence in the cloud. Azure also supports running fully virtualized computers, managing your custom software solutions. Azure provides a wealth of cloud-based services like remote storage, database hosting, and centralized account management. Azure also offers new capabilities like artificial intelligence, AI, and Internet of Things, IoT-focused services. In this series, you'll cover cloud computing basics, be introduced to some of the core services provided by Microsoft Azure, and will learn more about the governance and compliance services that you can use. What is Azure Fundamentals? Azure Fundamentals is a series of 3 learning paths that familiarize you with Azure and its many services and features. Whether you're interested in computer, networking, or storage services, learning about cloud security best practices, or exploring governance and management options, think of Azure Fundamentals as your curated guide to Azure. Azure Fundamentals includes interactive exercises that give you hands-on experience with Azure. Many exercises provide a temporary Azure portal environment called the Sandbox, which allows you to practice creating cloud resources for free at your own pace. Technical IT experience isn't required. However, having general IT knowledge will help you get the most from your learning experience. Introduction to Cloud Computing. In this module, you'll be introduced to general cloud concepts. You'll start with an introduction to the cloud in general. Then you'll dive into concepts like shared responsibility, different cloud models, and explore the unique pricing method for the cloud. After completing this module, you'll be able to define cloud computing, describe the shared responsibility model, define cloud models, including public, private, and hybrid, identify appropriate use cases for each cloud model, describe the consumption-based model, compare cloud pricing models. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. Computing services include common IT infrastructure such as virtual machines, storage, databases, and networking. Cloud services also expand the traditional IT offerings to include things like Internet of Things, IoT, machine learning, ML, and artificial intelligence, AI. Because cloud computing uses the internet to deliver these services, it doesn't have to be constrained by physical infrastructure the same way that a traditional data center is. That means if you need to increase your IT infrastructure rapidly, you don't have to wait to build a new data center. You can use the cloud to rapidly expand your IT footprint. LearnMicrosoft.com is a free learning platform and it's open source.